Hey guys, Calvin here. Let me just do a quick video before the close. It's good to be back trading, guys. First, before I start, just like to say all my thoughts and prayers are out to the families and people that were affected by Superstorm Sandy. It's very unfortunate. It's a lot of people, guys, without fresh water and electricity. It's just not a good thing to see. Markets were closed, unfortunately, but obviously human life's more important. So best of luck to those guys. I hope everything works out and for a speedy recovery with everything that's going on. Okay, so back to the charts, guys. I did 2 trades on Apple and 1 in SPY. Right now on the daily chart, we're closing, looks like with a doji. That should set this up very nicely for a bounce. We just hit the 200-day moving average for the first time officially. We also go back to the charts. We also have a gap window here. And I also believe it's a 618 retrace. Sorry, guys. My computer is acting a little sluggish, so I had to delete all my lines for now until I get them back. Later this evening, I'll log back in and see if I can get these lines to get back and come back on my charts. So for now, guys, we're at support right now. So I actually sold the 550 540 bull put spread. So this is my level right here, guys, that I need to hold for the week. There's only 2 more days left in the trading week, so this should be good to go, guys. We also have gap fill just below that, and then all these major consolidation pivots right here, guys. So there's some solid support coming up, guys, if this breaks, but I'm banking that this is going to hold easily for a day or two because this is the 200-day moving average, never been hit. Major support, guys. Let's go intraday, guys, and see how I timed everything up. I actually got in right here, guys, off this pullback candle right here. It went a little bit lower, but nonetheless, it was so out of the money that it did not affect. I'm sorry, right here, guys. I got in right here, actually, in this candle right here. So nice inside bars right here. So nice, beautiful timed trade. Now we're just floating up for the rest of the day. We did break this rising channel, guys, rising wedge. So there is a further downside here potentially. This could potentially retest the lows because based off this pattern, it's a broken trend line. So this was a very important level, guys. We're below all these moving averages now and this trend line. So Apple looking rather weak here, but the daily chart does look like a doji close, guys, which is going to be in like 1 minute. I think we probably already closed for the day. Let me see if there's any movement. Yeah, it looks like we closed already for the day, guys. But let's look at my trades and how they're looking. Yeah, we are close officially for the day. Not looking too good, not too great, but was up very nicely early in the day when I tried to do the video, but still, nonetheless, I'm still positive for the day. That was a trade I did on Apple. So far, so good on that. This rising wedge channel breaking down. So let's go on the daily chart and see what we closed. We did close with a doji, so that is a positive right there, guys. Doji candle. Time count as well. Sorry, I got to time that. Okay, let's go to the SPY, guys, and look at the trade on the SPY. Right now, guys, we did a gap down a few days ago, obviously last week or a few weeks ago. Gap down. Now we're just trading in this range. Nice consolidation here, guys. If this breaks up or down, we don't know. We'll have to find out in the coming days. But right now, let's see. We're trading, as you can see, in this range, guys. If we measure the move up or down, we go right into this level off this pattern. Beautiful, guys. See how all these lines line up beautifully? Just a thing of beauty. Let's go on the daily chart and see if that's any significant level on the daily chart. Yep, lines up right with gap fill, guys. Right at this level, pivot high from this candle. That would be a fantastic spot. See how you draw targets, guys? You find one target and then you line it up with multiple factors. See, guys, this is a upper gap fill right here of this candle, the high. You have a death cross. This is going to be major resistance, guys. And you have a target. If it breaks up, that's your target. Just based off one pattern, it's going to break up there. Okay, guys, so I have multiple ways, guys, of drawing targets. Actually, off this bigger pattern, I have a target of 136. But I do not see that happening in the coming days. Maybe further out, that's potentially in the cards. But right now, I think the 137 should hold because that's a 200-day moving average. And that's the trade I did, guys. I did the 137.5 credit spread with the 134. So that's what I did for now, guys. That's what I'm expecting to hold for the week. Let's go intraday and look at my timing. Guys, it's a thing of beauty, guys. If you know how to read charts, I sound like a broken record, but it's just the same stuff over and over, guys. Look, I got in on this candle. Now, was it luck? No, absolutely not. I timed this beautifully, guys. On a time count, we got a small little hammer candle, increased volume. These are just some of the factors that I saw and the reason why I did the trade. If you guys don't believe me, let's line it up. Let's time it up. If you guys look on the upper left portion of the screen, you will see I did this. The low was put in around 12:40 on this candle. This is a 10-minute candle, right? So it's a 12:40 candle. This is actually Eastern Standard Time. If you follow free stock charts, they actually go off Eastern Standard Time. So this is 12:40 Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So if we go to my brokerage, which is Options House, they are off Central Standard Time. So when you see my order at Options House, you should see around 11:40 because an hour away, right? So Central Standard Time, 11:40 will be my entry, and let's just see if that holds true, guys. It's right here, the 137.50. That's not the order. This was the order, guys. Filled 9 cents, 25 contracts, sell to open, 137.5 put. Okay, guys. Entry 11:37. 3 minutes away, guys, from 11:40. So that was my entry, guys. So I got in right here, guys, right around here. I didn't need to see this candle. I got in right here, guys, because I knew this was a great spot to get in. Nice pivots right here, guys. Beautiful spot to enter long with a credit spread. And since then, guys, just been floating up for the rest of the day. A little sell-off into support, guys, to close. But nonetheless, looking beautiful for a trade so far, guys. Still consolidating, guys, here, so we have to watch if it breaks up or down. I already drew the targets, guys, either direction, so I'm good to go. Let's draw the targets to the downside. That's the upside. If we take the target off this range, just to estimate, guys, it goes roughly to 139. And also, if this is a head and shoulder pattern, guys, let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see it. If this is a head and shoulder, guys, right here, if it breaks down roughly around here, it gives you a target of 139.40. But it really depends where this breaks, or if it breaks at all. We do have a higher low put in. It's kind of putting a triangle right now in the range. So this is a pattern within a pattern. So we have to see which way this breaks. So it depends where it breaks. So it's hard to draw a target until it breaks. And if it even breaks at all. So it's still above the moving averages here on a 10-minute chart, so it's looking pretty decent so far. I think that's all I wanted to go over, guys. I also did another trade on Apple on the, I think it was the 555, 545 spread, and that's pretty much flat right now. It was in the money very nicely earlier, but we had some nice selling into the close. And Apple is selling slightly after hours. I actually, to go back, guys, I actually entered that spread separately on the SPY trade. It was a 134 put I bought. So I bought this leg first for 2 cents, and I got a 7-cent spread, overall credit spread, guys. So that's why you're seeing the order filled separately. But ultimately, it is a 137.5, 134 credit spread. And I'm up nicely on the trade so far. So let's see what happens, guys, in the next 2 days. Only 2 more days left in the trading week, so I think I'm actually good to go. If I see anything else, I will update you guys. But right now, everything's looking beautiful, guys. All the trades timed perfectly so far. We'll see what happens in the coming days. I hope you guys have a great one. I will talk to you guys later. Peace out.